Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Snow's melted off a little bit and I'm going to come out here and try and get some of these sticks picked up. The other thing I have to be careful of is tripping. I get my feet tangled up a lot more than I used to. And I've damaged both knees. So I'm trying to do better at it, but I'm still tripping. Having a forked stick helps with the picking up the stuff off the ground I have to bend over so far. I think I need to learn to dislike firewood and wood fires, the whole thing, because it seems to wreck me. Doesn't take much. One little trip and stumble, and next thing you know, I'm laid up for a couple of weeks or longer. It's a good thing God gives us these nice days. Because if it was like this in June, I'd be so bummed out I wouldn't want to come outside. But seeing as how it's March, 1st of March, it feels like a vacation. Sun's shining, hardly any wind. That's the root. Probably still doing it to this day, but the kids used to say, "You ever had a hurts, don't it?" And you'd say, "No." And they'd punch you in the arm. Say, "There, hurts, don't it?" I don't know why they thought that was funny. I had 2 older brothers. Well, still got them. Bob and Jerry. When I was younger, and they were younger, I mean, I'm talking I was 10, Jerry would have been 12, Bob would have been close to 15. People like to pick on other people. They picked on one of my big brothers. My big brothers wouldn't put up with it. So they'd come to pick on somebody smaller out of the same group, thinking that they were hurting them. A whole bunch of them. Now, I was somewhat of a scrapper, not really good at it. I can't say I ever got beat in a fight. Sometimes we both just got tired, got up and walked away. But never said I quit, I give or anything like that. Except, of course, if I was wrestling with my brothers, which is a totally different thing. They were just teaching me to defend myself. There's rules to that. No punching, no scratching, no biting. Just see if you can lock each other up. But it taught me it doesn't hurt that bad if you get hurt. It doesn't hurt that bad for that long. And I had a hell of a temper. I just short fused. Not sure why. Nobody ever told me that was the right way to behave. Well, I'll take that back. My dad told me, he says, if somebody wants to start a fight with you and you can't see a way to get out of it, pick up the biggest stick you can find and beat the crap out of them. That was my dad. Dad wasn't a fighter either, but he didn't take no crap off of nobody. I think you got him. Wow, I cut this tree, well, pruned these trees back in August. By the time I get done, picking up all these sticks, I dropped the one stick I needed to pick up the stick I dropped. That's okay.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.